Operation of positive pressure needle-free connector. Wash hands, wear gloves, and strictly comply with facility protocol. Gather equipment and materials. Check to ensure the outer package of the connector is complete and within validity. Use syringe to extract normal saline. Peel to open an egg hole pad. Remove the stereo connector from the package. Do not touch the opened end of the connector. Swap the hub of the connector with an egg hole pad for at least 15 to 30 seconds or per facility protocol. Let the hub air dry completely. Do not fan or blow on the hub to speed up the dry. Carefully connect the syringe to the female lure end of the needle-free connector. Do not try to insert at an angle or try to pry open the slit in the connector. Gently push up the air out of the syringe and the needle-free connector. Keep pushing up until you see a drop of fluid out of the connector. Positive pressure feature. When disconnected syringe, drop of water will flow out from the connector due to the inner positive pressure. The positive pressure effect can effectively prevent liquid from flowing back. Remove the heparin cap from the IV cannula. Swap the port with an egg hole pad for at least 15 to 30 seconds. Insert the male lure end of the needle-free connector into the IV cannula using a clockwise, twisting motion. Loosen the catheter clamp and draw back the syringe to ensure the catheter is smoothly open. Close the catheter clamp if the catheter has a clamp. Insert the infusion tube into female lure end of needle-free connector using a clockwise, twisting motion. Disconnect operation. Twist counterclockwise to disconnect after infusion. Erase the liquid remaining at the top of needle-free connector with an egg hole swab. Operation of re-infusion. Before each use, swap the female lure end of the connector with an egg hole pad for at least 15 to 30 seconds. Use syringe to extract normal saline. Insert the syringe into the female lure end of needle-free connector using a clockwise, twisting motion. Push the syringe uniformly. After flushing the tube, quickly pull out the syringe using a counterclockwise, twisting motion. Insert the male lure end of neutral needle-free connector into CVC using a clockwise, twisting motion. Insert the syringe. Use the pulse flushing method to flush the tubing. And then quickly pull out the syringe by counterclockwise, twisting motion. Insert the male lure end of needle-free connector into PICC using a clockwise twisting motion. Use the pulse flushing method to slowly push fluid from the syringe into the catheter. Then uniformly push fluid to complete flushing of the catheter. And then quickly pull out the syringe by counterclockwise, twisting motion. Replace the connector anytime when it's damaged or dirty. Remove or change the connector within 7 days. Nursing and regular check the connector and keep nursing record for every patient. 1. Do not use needle or blunt cannula to access the needle-free connector. 2. Only use standard lure connection devices. 3. Carefully follow the facility protocol to maintain the connector integrity. Less infection in hospital, much protection for life.